you can never cheat nature. Yes, but in this video I am going to be showing you how you can actually cheat nature through your styling. Welcome back, my ladies. How you all doing today? Thank you all so much for clicking on this video. In today's video I am going to be showing you the styling mistakes that you have been making when you are bloated and how to fix it. Very simple things that you just have to do in order for you to be able to conceal that bloated stomach without shapewear. To be honest, during the bloated days, for me, I'm talking for myself, I don't know about you, when I'm bloated, shapewear doesn't help me. It just make it more complicated. It make my stomach more protruding. It make it more visible that it's big. So I just don't want to try any shapewear during that period whenever I feel bloated. The first mistake that I've noticed that people have been making is whenever they are bloated, they still want to wear fitted or pencil skirts. Yes, you can if you want to, but just bear in mind that that particular section of your body is going to be bigger than the way it doesn't normally look on the days that you're not bloated. You can still wear your pencil skirt, but the idea behind wearing your pencil skirt is to stay away from colors that are bright, because the colors that are bright, they're very bright, it's going to draw more attention to that section of your body. It's nature. That is why I'm doing this video, to show you how you can still wear your pencil skirts on that day that you're bloated, so we can fix this mistake. So if you want to do your pencil skirts on the days that you're bloated, I will encourage you, or I will recommend that you should wear your pencil skirts that have a little bit of dark color in them, or they have like design. The reason being that the design will conceal your midsection. The design will conceal your stomach. It won't be too protruding. People won't actually notice it more. They probably will notice the design of your skirt more because the color is dark, and also it has some design on it, like flowers or whatever pattern that is going on, whatever print that is going on the skirt. That will conceal it more than you wearing a bright color of skirt on the days you are bloated. So that's the first solution. The second solution, probably you want to tuck in. Some people still want to tuck in on the day they are bloated, which I don't really recommend, but it's up to you if you want. If you feel like that's your style, when you tuck in into the bright skirts, it's going to be more pronounced too. You can see it in this illustration of me wearing the bright skirt and the dark color. Those are the solution. Just pick the one that works for you. I am telling you, this is the way to fix it, and you will feel good on that bloated days when you go like this. But my best solution to this wearing of pencil skirts on the days you are bloated would be to just tuck out, or you put another top that is peplum. You all know that peplum can be so good on the days that you're bloated. It's going to conceal. Nobody's going to see it because peplum will associate your waist in one way, and it is a flare design at the bottom which will cover that part of your bloated tummy, and it will conceal it. That is my ultimate solution to wearing a pencil skirt on the days that you're bloated. And finally, if you don't want to do pencil skirt, which is also another golden rule for me, that I feel like it works for me every time, and I believe some of you will agree with me that you have tried this and it works for you. The final solution that I would still recommend for you to do is to wear a pleated skirt, which is flare. Look at this one on the screen right now. It's so free. You can't see my bulgy stomach at the front, neither the side, both side. Everything is just covered, because, and the skirt still give you that feminine look. If you like, you can tuck in. I will even recommend you tucking in this one, because that's the only way you can get that feminine look. On your waist will be defined if you tuck in with this kind of skirt. But if you use a peplum that is not too long, it probably will still look good. But trust me, tucking into this type of skirt during your bloated days will still make you look very confident, very comfortable, very stylish, and very feminine. Ladies, if you're still watching my video up until this time, please do consider to like this video, and please do endeavor to share it with friends and family. Maybe they will find it entertaining, educative, or informative. You never can tell. And please, if you're coming across my channel for the very first time, please do consider subscribing. So another mistakes that you have been making on the days that you're bloated is wearing a tight fitted pants. When I'm talking about tight fitted pants, I'm talking about those that are made with jersey material. There is no way in the world you can cover that one. People are going to see it. In this illustration, I use a black pants that is made from jersey material. You all can see how my stomach is protruding. Trust me, I'm not that bloated up onto this level, but I just wanted to illustrate, so I had to like force my stomach to come out more so that you all can see it. So when you look at the pant that I'm wearing in this video, you will see that the black, even though it's black is supposed to conceal, right? You can still see it when I turn to the side. You probably will not see it too much when you are looking at me from the front view, but from the side you can tell that my stomach is big on that bloated days. I would recommend you stay away from this kind of pants. But if you have to, I have a solution for you. Tucking into a fitted pants that is made from this kind of jersey material, it's going to be very obvious that your stomach is big. That is what bloating will do. It will make your stomach to look bigger than usual. So if you're tucking, that's how it's going to look. But my best solution is for you to tuck out. For that period, your bloating is not forever. It's just for a few period of days. Then it will be gone. Another solution that I will recommend is for you to wear a tailored pant that has a little bit of plait at the front, because the plaited part of the tailored pant will conceal your tummy. Nobody will see that plaited part. What they will see is the plaited part of that pant. A tailored pant is what I would recommend on the days you're bloated. You can tuck in. In fact, tucking in is the best because it's gonna just make your outfit to look seamless and look very polished. If you tuck out, you will look bulky somehow, because the front of the pant of a tailored pant, the way they do the plaited thing at the front, it's already a little bit big. So if you tuck out, nobody will see that style and it will make you look bulgy, like big. So it's better you tuck in. That is my solution during your bloated days. Ladies, if you want to wear pants, stay away from tight fitted pants. Use a tailored pant with a little bit of design at the front to conceal your tummy, and after that, you can, after the bloated days are gone, you can go back to your regular fitted pants. All right, ladies, so on the day that you feel like you're really bloated, ladies, please stay away from bodycon dresses. Even if it is black, look at my illustration here. I'm wearing black fitted tube in this video, and if you look at it from the front, it's not that pronounced, but when I turn to the side, you can tell on the side that my tummy look bigger on both sides. So my recommendation for you, if you have to wear a tube dress on that day, go for this particular style that I'm showing to you right now. That will be the solution. Even if you want to do a bright color of a dress, still go for a style that it will be a little bit flare at the bottom, like they cut the upper part. The upper part is a little bit tighter, just like the one I have, and the bottom is free. Those are the kind of dress that I would recommend for you. That's the solution for you there on the days that you're bloated. Wearing a fitted bodycon dress definitely will sell you out. Definitely, it's gonna make that particular section to be more protruding and people are gonna notice, and you're gonna be uncomfortable too. Honestly, the days that I'm bloated, I stay away from clothes that are clinging to my body or too tight. I stay away from them. I wear something that is free, that will be very comfortable and look very confident and be very stylish. All right, that's my recommendation, ladies. All right, my ladies, these are the styling mistakes that you're making on days that you're bloated and how to fix them. They are simple. It's so simple. You don't have to go purchase anything. There are things that you already own in your closet that you can use to fix these mistakes, so that any day that you're bloated, you still feel yourself, you still feel stylish, you feel confident in your outfits. Thank you all, ladies, so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.